am so excited because I'm starting my journey to getting Coolsculpting. I have my first appointment, my assessment appointment today. I'm doing it with LaserAway, and they contacted me to give me a free treatment in exchange for sharing my experience with you guys. So I said, why not? Because Coolsculpting is something that I've always wanted, and I was gonna pay for it anyway, but it was a little on the expensive side, so I was waiting till I was in like a good position. But since they offered me it, I said, why not? I'm just gonna show you guys what my journey is like and how it works for me. So I'm super excited. And they have a new location in Coral Gables, so if you're in South Florida, then make sure you check them out. They do laser hair removal, they do Coolsculpting, they do facials, they do a bunch of stuff, and the spot is really cute. So yeah, I want Coolsculpting because my body shape is not like bow like hourglass type shape. It's more like SpongeBob SquarePants, but not even like straight up and down, because I have a muffin top, so like the side of my stomach, it kind of pokes out, so it's like muffin top and then hip all the way over here. So like it's just not flattering, at least in my opinion. And because that's just how my shape is naturally, like fat just goes there first, so it doesn't matter if I work out. It takes a while for it to go away, and I don't want to have to lose a bunch of weight in order to get that part to slim down, because I don't want to be skinny. I actually want to gain weight, so that's where my issue is. Because I want to gain weight, I don't want to continue to pack fat on in that area, but then I also don't want to lose a bunch of weight in order for it to go away and then just be around here skinty. I don't want to be skinty, I want to be thick, honey. So that's why I'm doing this, to kind of target that area, to try and slim it down a little bit, so I have a little bit more room to gain the weight that I want to by lifting weights, and obviously healthy, not you know, just pigging out or whatever. So yeah, I think this is going to be really helpful. I'm gonna do the flank treatment, and I'm about to head to my assessment so they can tell me exactly what my treatment plan is going to be, if I'm a good candidate, and schedule my next appointment so we can get started. So I'll see you guys there.
Hey girl, good morning.
Good morning.
Can't get you in my head. I'm saying you wanna take a good time. I know you by your phone. So boy,
Testing this area, I'm going to do the pinch evaluation. And so I'm actually going to have you turn to the side, and actually even a little bit further for me. Okay. And if you just bring your arms in front of you, almost like you're just kind of resting them, just nice like this. So we're going to look for areas of opportunity on the, and you're more concerned with this lower area is what you pointed to me?
Yeah.
Okay. So in squeezing this area here, you want to see how far around. Just probably right about there. So here to here. So I'm going to put my blending template down.
So here she's just trying to figure out which applicator would fit best in the area that I'm trying to target, and she decided on 2 of the smaller applicators on each side. And after that, this literally took like 15 minutes, and I was on my way out the door and with my next appointment scheduled or whatever. So yeah, she said this probably costs around $2,000 to $3,000, but it varies per person. So I suggest that you guys go get the free consultation. The link will be in my description box, so then they can let you know exactly how much it'll cost, exactly what your treatment plan is, and everything like that. So I'll see you guys when it's time to actually, you know, get her done. Hey y'all, so I'm on my way to my appointment. So it is like a week and a half later, I guess, whatever. I'll put the time, the date down here. But I'm running late because there's so much freaking traffic, dog. So my appointment was supposed to be at 1:15, and it's now like 1:10, and I'm still sitting in traffic. I'm like 30 minutes away. So I guess I'll catch up with y'all when I get there. Hopefully they don't have to cancel it or anything. I don't know. Hopefully everything's fine. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Still in effing traffic. So I called the people, and they said that if I get there before 1:45, I'll be fine. But now my GPS is saying 1:42. So it's not looking good. Y'all, so I am finally here. Let's change into my shorts. Time for surgery. And what's this?
It's like a kind of like a between this and that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, to protect
To
your skin.
protect the skin, okay.
But it's very gooey, very sticky. As you can see.
It looks cold.
Almost like slime.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to move this arm for a second? Okay.
Where's your
comfortable? Okay. Just for a second, okay?
Okay, no
I gotta align it perfectly so that it grabs it all at the same time.
What do you feel? Feels like it sucks.
I need a little bit here, something up here. Yeah. It can't hang, it needs to be placed.
There, it's perfect. So you're gonna start feeling cold. We're gonna start it, okay?
Okay?
Oh, okay. You guys haven't started yet?
No, it was just the suction part.
So it just feels like a little suction, and now they're turning it on.
Okay, it's cooling. Okay.
Oh yeah, I feel cold.
Yeah, the first about 10 minutes you might feel even a little bit of like numbing type of pain. It's normal because it's cold.
Yeah.
Okay, but that should kind of subside. If
Okay.
you-
Okay, so they have me hooked up to the machine. Not gonna lie, I feel a little crazy right now, but it's fine. It just feels like just super cold. Like if you were to, like she said, put your hand into an ice bucket, like that, just freezing feeling. But the area should be completely numb soon, she said. So I won't feel it anymore. So for each applicator, it's 45 minutes. So I'm gonna be here for a minute. So I'm doing 2 applicators on each side, like one kind of in the front, like where this one is, and then behind that, so like around the back area on each side. So I'm gonna be here for about 3 hours. So I'm actually gonna try and get some work done on my phone. They got the TV going, so yeah, I'm chilling. So it's been about 10-15 minutes, and the area is now completely numb.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Turn a little bit that way. Perfect.
Feels so funny.
Yeah. So we gotta massage everything out. Too fast? You want me to slow it?
Yes, please. Because it's like tickling and then like,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, I feel it in my hand too. This is slow as it goes, okay? I gotta massage it all out.
Yeah, I don't like this at all.
1 minute, I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
Minute over.
So this is the second applicator. I'm done with the first one, and she came in and put on the second one. This one is kind of like towards the back of my flank. So I have to sit with this one for 45 minutes and then do the same thing on my other side. So this is what the area is looking like. Jerry Springer and Mari got me through the whole thing. You real Jerry and Mari. But yeah, it's still cold and like a little red and sore and stuff, but they said that over the next couple of days it should be fine. Hey guys, so the Coolsculpting is done, and I just wanted to give you guys my final thoughts before I end this vlog. I'm gonna be doing another one with like my follow-up results and just going week by week and updating you guys on what I'm feeling, what I'm seeing, etc. But yeah, overall it was not bad at all. I knocked everything out in that one treatment. I don't have to go back or anything, and I didn't experience any bruising. So once like the permanent marker came off, there was no marks or bruising. I actually ended up going to the beach the same day, and the area was a little bit numb just because of the suction and like the freezing and all that kind of stuff, so the area was numb. So I'm going to be following up with you guys on that to see when I get my feeling back, all that kind of stuff. LaserAway is a great place. The place is super cute, and they made everything very quick and easy. They explained everything really thoroughly. If you guys have any questions, please be sure to comment below and ask them. I want everybody to feel like they got as much information as possible before making this decision. So if you have any questions, I'll be responding to all questions. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.